Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa, this is Nessacxbeauty, and today we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Winter 2020 mystery box. I did get the deluxe box in the size medium, just for reference. But the box retailed for around $120 with shipping and taxes. It came out to around $145. So we shall see if this box is worth it. But before getting into it, y'all, this is about the product, this is about the box and the items in the box. This ain't about the person behind the brand. If y'all want to dislike this video, you can go right ahead. If you want to rate your hate comments, you can go right ahead. It helps the video. But if you are just as excited as I am to open this box, just continue watching. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna get right into the box. Oh, the first thing we see is Orgy. This is the first eyeshadow palette that I've gotten in a mystery box where the palette is not a palette I already have. So I'm excited about that. I did decide to pass on Orgy because I didn't want to spend that much money on browns, but I did do a dupe video with the Beauty Bay nude palette. This is Orgy. She looks good, but we shall see how she compares to my nude palette from Beauty Bay because I'm still convinced that they are around the same palette. And the Beauty Bay palette has some shimmers. So if y'all are interested in seeing that video, please let me know down below so I can get that out for you. But I mean, I'm excited for this palette. It's not my favorite color story from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, thus why I skipped on it. But we'll see what I do with that one. The next thing in the box, and I cannot ignore this, it's huge. Shane Dawson lip collection. I mean, you know, I would have suspected that some of the Shane Dawson stuff would be in here because a lot of people aren't buying that collection. They are all out of place, by the way. None of them are where they're supposed to be, but whatever, we'll get through that. I actually contemplated getting this when it came out and then didn't because realistically I probably wouldn't wear a lot of these shades, but it's pretty, y'all. Some of these might end up in a giveaway, some of them might not. Like, I will probably only be keeping Oh My God and maybe giving away the rest of them because that's realistically the only shade I would probably wear out of this little collection. But y'all, we are almost at the 5,500 subscriber mark, and that's when I do my giveaways. I do it at the mid mark, so my 5,000 subscriber giveaway will be then, and this might be in there. Next up, I'm so happy about this, y'all. This is unicorn blood, and I ran out of my unicorn blood. If y'all saw my empties video, which will be carded up there, unicorn blood was one of my empties, and it is one of my most favorite red liquid lipsticks, so I'm definitely happy to have this in the box. It's like they were reading my mind this time. The next thing is the gloss in Tabletop. I don't think I have this one, but realistically I haven't been using the glosses from the mystery boxes. The glosses smell nice, they feel nice. I'm just not personally a gloss girl, but this will probably end up in a giveaway as well. And this is the Celebrity Skin lip liner. I'm actually excited about this one. I don't have this one in my collection, and I'm actually super excited that we're getting stuff that collectors don't have in their collection. So this is Celebrity Skin. We're gonna, it fell, but we swatched her right there. I'm keeping this one. I'm happy to get this one. I love the lip liners. I am wearing, I forgot which one I put on, but I'm wearing a Jeffree Star lip liner right now. The last thing is a lipstick. Oh, it's a Velvet Trap lipstick. Malibu Beach House. I don't know what the shade is. Oh, it's like a purple shade. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one at all. I actually own one of the Velvet Traps already, and I didn't really like the formula, and I don't like the shade of this one, so this one will probably end up in the giveaway as well. Somebody else will be happier with that shade than I would be. Then the last thing in the box is the merch. Again, I did get the size medium. It's a long sleeve. So this is the front, just the little emblem. The side has like a wintry kind of design. And then the back has a snowflake. This is actually pretty cool. I can see myself tie-dyeing this and it being a very awesome t-shirt. Not t-shirt, because it's a long sleeve. It's a long sleeve. But again, I feel like I'm going to need to cut it, because usually I get mediums because I'm more on the busty side. So they're usually pretty long on me and I cut them. But I'm happy with this. This tie-dye sounds like a dream. So y'all, that was everything in my box. This was probably one of the better boxes that he's put out. Let's see. I mean, the October mystery boxes were so good too. I think this one is probably better because there are some things that like I don't have in here. Like I don't have Orgy. I don't have Celebrity Skin. I didn't have this, the Velvet Trap. I don't have this gloss, and I needed a refill of Unicorn Blood, and I did not definitely have this at all. But there are some cool things to put in a giveaway for later on, so I'm super excited about that. And that was my entire box. Let me know what y'all thought about that down below. But y'all, I have one announcement that is not mystery box related. I have joined a new app. It's called BIGO Live, and I am actually auditioning to become a host for the app. So I would love it if any of y'all could attend my audition tomorrow, because it's like a live stream app. It's Thursday, December 31st at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is my time, and then 6 o'clock Central Time. I'm gonna put up my little flyer right now. If y'all can go ahead, download the app, create a little account, and show up to my audition tomorrow, that would be so great. What the audition basically is like people come in and ask you questions about your life, about what you're gonna do on the app, and I really want my subscribers to be there. So if you can come, it'll be a fun time. It's only 30 minutes, so I would really appreciate it if at least 1 or 2 of y'all came. But that concludes my video, and I'm in really high spirits after filming this video, so happy holidays. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world.